Today I have a Asus Zenbook UX430 laptop, and this laptop problem is power on but display not working. Okay, plug in the charger, press the power button, let's check it. And you can see here cooling fan is spinning and laptop is on, but no display. Display is not working. Okay, but I will fix this laptop very easy and simple way. Let's start. This one is SSD drive and Wi-Fi dongle. Okay, let's open it and unplug the charger. When I unplug the charger and cooling fan is stopped and battery is not giving power backup, I will also change the battery. And change this. This one is a display connector. Open it. Here is a no using the external RAM, and they use 4 chips is here, and this is the built-in RAM. You cannot be changed this, but our problem is that and our display laptop display is not working, and today I will fix this. And you can see these chips, and this one is our graphics chips, and these chips work for the display. Okay, today I'll work on that. This one is our graphics chips. This one is clean. Now give some heat on the graphics chips, and after that check it what. Okay, let's dry this motherboard, and here is some water mixing in the thinner, and you dry this. Okay, basic setting is complete, and let's check this display is working or not. And turn on the laptop. Let's see what happened. Yep, display is working, and you can see preparing the automatic repair. And because of this laptop and so many times restart and they're trying to opening, and that's why it is the showing the diagnosis the PC, and it's working as well as good. Okay, display is on due to the drive soldering, that's why this display is not working also from the motherboard, and I resoldering the graphics chips and it working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.